lesson learned, I guess. I was at a restaurant. I was at the Olive Garden, actually, ordering my salad. Because one of the things you can have there that's plant-based would be like the soup salad and breadsticks. Probably want to minus the breadsticks on that. They're not super healthy, but they're vegan. You can eat them. And the soup's pretty good. And the pasta is just, you know, pasta and marinara sauce with some steamed vegetables. So I do have some options there for you if you are trying to follow a plant-based diet. Olive Garden has some stuff. But as I'm ordering my salad, the waiter, who, nice fellow, I'm not ragging on the waiter here, that's not the point of this video, I'm not trying to hate on that specific person, but when I said no cheese on the salad, he looked a little confused. And when the other people who were with me were ordering salad, he asked them, would you like your salad the normal way? Normal. I didn't cause a scene in the restaurant or anything like that. I kind of just laughed it off or whatever, but normal. Is it really normal putting coagulated cow pus and cow milk fat on your salad? Mammary secretions from another species on your salad when you're trying to eat salad? That's normal? I don't know. To me, that seems a little abnormal. You know? I think people thinking that a plant-based diet is not ordinary or just like so far out there, it's just too weird for people to do. But I mean, take a look at what you're eating already. What you're eating already, it's not even food. It's not even food at that point, man. You're putting garbage in your body, loading up on all those animal products and stuff. So anyway, I don't want to get on too big of a rant here. I don't want it to be a super long video. Kind of just wanted to shoot the scenery for the channel here, but figured I'd talk about this. So I'm gonna put a poll up. I'm gonna put a poll up. It'll be up top, I believe, and it's gonna say, is eating cow pus and cow secretions on your salad, is that normal? Yes or no? And I want you guys to vote. I don't care if you're vegan, I don't care if you're not. If you're thinking about it and you feel like that's normal, go ahead and put it on there. I'm gonna hit no. To me, it's not normal putting that stuff on my food. Definitely not. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna get back to the trail here. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, guys. Till next time, take care.